Okay, this is a Rubik's Cube prepared by Peter. Joshua has not seen it at all, so now he's going to hand it to Josh and he's going to do it as fast as he can. Okay, and go.
Here we go. No, 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 no.
Spanish 12 or 5? Catalonian 5 too hard in the hand. You've got to explain it to me.
Mm-hmm.
At this point, it's probably good to point out as well that Joshua has drunk rather a lot this evening, so it's a disadvantaged state. In fact, here we go. Jägermeister.
Can you give me another drink, please, while cubing?
Okay, so you get 2 cards each.
Okay, now actually I've got to go back over here, otherwise people will think that he swapped the Rubik Cube, okay? So I'm just going to pick up on Peter.
Oh, that was a mistake actually.
Oh, well, yeah, you know, I'm sorry. Okay. Can you give him a drink while he's actually doing the cube, please, because he needs it now?
That's okay, wait. Critical moment here. Wait. Mm-hmm. 1 minute, 4 seconds. Okay, looking good. And we are done.
Way! And I don't know, but it's going to be about 1 minute 40, something like that. Okay.
Cool.
Well done! Way!